Hey YouTube, Consulting Joe here with another video. Today I wanted to go over a simple tutorial on using Fusion 360. And what we're going to create is just a couple simple shapes that are possibly interlockable. So these are just going to be, let's say, some tracks that can stack inside of each other. So what I'm doing already is I've jumped into a sketch. To do that, we can click finish and we're back into the main view. Click create sketch, and that's how we can create that sketch. If you hover over these, they'll give you a really good explanation of what they do and how to use them. But to jump back into our sketch, we've got that. We can extrude this sketch, and just all I did was click E on the keyboard, and then we can drag the arrow up. And there are a couple different options. We're creating a new body, but another option is thin extrude. And here we are creating a little empty box. So it got rid of our bottom. All we have to do is turn on our sketch again, select the inside of that sketch, extrude that by 1 millimeter. Oop. So what I did there, because I didn't pay attention and I rushed, I hit 1, and then the default is cut if it intersects a body. But I want to just click join, and by doing that, we've created a little planter kind of box. So with this box, what we can do is click the inside of it, hit E for extrude again, pull it out, do the same on this side. Oh, let me get to a better view. Click there, boom, and we have a track. There is our track. So now to make this a little stronger, we can grab these corners. Let's zoom in, and there's a really cool tool where we could do a chamfer, and this will do a 45-degree angle, or a fillet where it's kind of the same thing but rounded. I prefer chamfers, but it really depends on the look you're looking for and how it may be printed. But what's great is you can do this, and then if you'd like, you can do distance and angle, and you can change this. So we can pull this much higher now, and then we can adjust this angle to create our track that could be stackable. So if we do, let's say we do 7.5, and then now it's really thick on the edges. So one other trick we could do is grab those sides, and if we were to do this, we can get rid of it. But we really want to keep that. So what we could do is we can do an offset for the start and do a -1. And then for our distance, instead of 1, we can just pull it all the way out. And then I can grab this one, E to extrude. Get rid of this little guy. And then we can do the same on that side. So there are a lot of different ways you can do this. This, I think, is the easiest to understand. So if we wanted just to kind of get started, so we just want to do 1 for our offset. Oh, nope, -1. And then our distance is fine. We want to just go all the way out. And then we need to extrude to get rid of that. And we're left with a little extra where we can do one last extrude. And there we have it. So from here, we can let's see, we can hide those. We should be able to just delete these because they're just kind of leftovers. Oh, nope. We have to just hide those because they were leftover from some previous work. So if we wanted to do a copy and paste, we can pull that up and we'll see that they are stackable, but they're not completely stackable. So hit enter, and there we have it. So we have 2 stackable tracks. So this has been a pretty simple introduction, I think. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know if you have ideas or questions for future videos. Thanks a lot.